Don't know what to do with that roasted chicken? Today in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are whipping up a fast, fantastic, and family-friendly sheet pan quesadilla. So today Lisa's gonna put me to work, and we are gonna get started with the quesadilla with Jalapeno Ranch Dip.
I like the little accent you put on jalapeno.
I know.
Okay, we have 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and to that we're gonna add 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 3 tablespoons of flat leaf parsley chopped, and 1 tablespoon of chives. Then we have 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and 1 jalapeno chopped, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper.
That is our dipping sauce.
So put that to the side while we prepare the rest.
Now Lisa's gonna show us how to prepare the filling.
In a large skillet, we're gonna heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. To that, we're gonna add 1 red pepper and 1 orange pepper and 1 jalapeno, all diced. Let that saute for 3 minutes. Next, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Cook and stir that for 2 minutes. We're gonna transfer the mixture to a mixing bowl.
If this were smell-o-vision, you'd be really happy. It smells unbelievable.
And to this, we're gonna add 4 cups of shredded chicken, so we get to use your rotisserie chicken.
So that's the equivalent of 2 roasted chickens, store-bought.
Correct. We're adding 1 cup of sour cream.
Oh, the mix is getting creamy and delicious.
We have 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. We have 2 15-ounce cans of black beans.
Rinsed and drained.
So this is gonna get mixed up. And while I do that, why don't you start to prepare the baking sheets, okay? So you're gonna need 2 baking sheets. On the first one, you're gonna spread melted butter, just a thin coating of it.
This is gonna make the bottom of your quesadillas very crunchy.
And then you're gonna take your flour tortillas and you're gonna lay them out overhanging your baking sheet.
By half, right?
Exactly.
So we're gonna lay the mixture on top of these tortillas. This is fantastic. Here, let me help.
Thank you.
So helpful.
You are. So you're just gonna spread this out evenly. We have 3 cups of grated cheese. You're gonna put your final 2 flour tortillas over top in the center and then fold it all in.
This is the fun part.
This is the fun part. You're gonna take the remainder of your melted butter and just lightly brush it over top to get a nice golden crust. This is gonna bake in a 425 oven for 20 minutes. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the second baking sheet and place it on top so it mashes it all together, bakes like that, and then you remove it for the last 5 minutes.
Go ahead. The quesadilla is quesadunzo, and so is the most delicious dinner. Talk about easy. Crowd pleaser. Out. Mic drop. This one's a quesadilla mic drop.